Let's learn some colors and shapes. Dark blue color, grey color, light green color, yellow color, light green color, orange color, light brown color, dark green color, pink color, dark brown color, sky blue color, red color, light brown color, violet color, blue color. This is blue color. Let's draw the shape. Triangle. Circle. Heart. Star. Pentagon. Square. Pink color. Triangle. 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 Pink color. Light green color. Circle. 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 Light green color. Yellow color. Heart. This is heart. The name of this shape is heart shape. Heart. Heart. Yellow color. Dark brown color. Star. 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 Dark brown color. Olive green color. Pentagon. 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 Olive green color. Light orange color. Square. This is square. Light orange color. Square. Pink color, light green color, yellow color, dark brown color, olive green color, orange color. Triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon, square. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.